નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, સ્વાગત છે તમારું તમારી પોતાની યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ માય ક્લાસમાં. આજે આપણે ભણીશું ધોરણ 9 વિષય ઇંગ્લિશ ગાલા સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીમાં યુનિટ 9 ફ્રેન્ડ ફ્રોમ ધ સ્કાય, આકાશમાંથી આવેલો મિત્ર. ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, પ્રશ્ન નંબર 1 છે. જો પેરેગ્રાફ વાંચો અને એના ઉપરથી આપણે પ્રશ્નના જવાબ લખવાના છે. ચાલુ કરીશું. પેલું, વોટ વોઝ રેશમા ડુઈંગ? તો લખો, રેશમા વોઝ સિટિંગ ઇન ધ બાલ્કની and watching the children playing in the park. બીજું, what were the children enjoying? તો લખો, the children were enjoying their ball game. બીજા ફકરાનો જવાબ લખીશું. Why was Reshma's mother worried? લખો, Reshma's mother was worried because it was cool and windy and she might catch a cold. બીજું, Reshma loved to watch તો લખો, children shouting in excitement. ત્રીજું, who is called a spastic? તો લખો, a spastic is a person who has no control over her hands and legs from birth. બીજું, how old was Reshma? તો લખો, Reshma was 14 years old. ત્રીજું, what could Reshma do? તો લખો, Reshma could sit in her wheelchair and watch the life outside from her balcony. ચોથું, what could Reshma not do? તો લખો, Reshma could not walk or button up her shirt. બીજું, what could Reshma do? તો લખો, Reshma could crawl, use a spoon to eat and to handle her wheelchair. ત્રીજું, what did Reshma do in the special learning center? તો લખો, Reshma learned to speak, do some exercise and she also learned some subjects. પાંચમું, what was Reshma's favorite pastime? તો લખો, Reshma's favorite pastime was to watch the children playing in the street or the park. બીજું, Reshma felt lonely because લખો, she had no friends as all the children were busy with their own schools and games. Which word in the passage means feeling alone? તો લખો, lonely. છઠ્ઠાનો જવાબ લખીશું. What were the children doing? તો લખો, the children were kicking a big red ball and jumping with its movements. બીજું, what did the girls do on seeing the brown ball? લખો, the girls started screaming on seeing the brown ball. ત્રીજું, which words in the passage means continued? તો લખો, went on, અને faint તો લખો, deep. ચોથાનો જવાબ લખો, which word in the passage in the opposite of weaker? તો લખો, stronger. ચાલો સાતમાનો જવાબ લખીશું. What landed in Reshma's lap? તો લખો, the new ball landed in Reshma's lap. ત્રીજું, what happened when a boy touched the ball? તો લખો, when a boy touched the ball, it flapped its wings and flew up. So which word in the passage in the opposite of coward? તો લખો, coward no opposite, brave. આઠમાનો જવાબ લખીશું. What happened when Reshma's mother came to take her? તો when Reshma's mother came to take her, he saw some movement in Reshma's lap and heard faint cracks. બીજું, what was Reshma's reaction? તો લખો, Reshma was puzzled and frightened. ત્રીજું, which words in the passage mean path? તો લખો, route. weak તો લખો, faint, અને confused તો લખો, puzzled. હવે નવમાનો જવાબ લખીશું. Name the book written by Salim Ali. તો લખો, the book written by Salim Ali is Indian birds. What was the name of the bird? તો લખો, it was a shelter duck. Describe the bird. તો લખો, the bird had broad beaks and bright blue, white and brown feathers. ચોથાનો જવાબ લખો, which words in the passage mean very tired? તો લખો, exhausted. frightened તો લખો, scared, અને big તો લખો, bill. ચાલો 10માનો જવાબ લખીશું. From where does the shoveler migrate? તો લખો, the shoveler migrates from the cold regions of Russia. How did the bird fall in the park? તો લખો, the bird must have lost its way due to the strong wind, got exhausted and fell in the park. ત્રીજું લખો, which word in the passage means a group of birds? તો લખો, a group of birds means લખો. હવે 11મો પ્રશ્ન. Name the things Reshma and her mother put before the bird to feed it. લખો, Reshma and her mother put bread crumbs, nuts, fruits and grains before the bird to feed it. બીજું લખો, what happened when Reshma's mother tried to pick up the bird? તો લખો, when Reshma's mother tried to pick up the bird, it bit her hand. ત્રીજું, write two words which show the movement of the bird. તો એ લખો, later અને huddled. પછીનો લખો, what did Reshma's mother make for the duck? તો લખો, Reshma's mother mixed boiled rice, milk and sugar and fed the milk for the duck. What happened when the bird eat the food? તો લખો, when the bird eat the food, His eyes brightened and he started fluttering his wings. પછીનો લખો 13મો. With what did Reshma prepare Mitra bed? તો લખો Reshma prepared Mitra's bed with grass. બીજું, what happened when Reshma woke up? તો લખો when Reshma woke up, she found the basket empty. ત્રીજું, where was Mitra? તો લખો Mitra was near the water tub in the bathroom. 14માનો જવાબ લખો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો. What was Reshma doing when the children came? તો લખો when the children came, Reshma was feeding breakfast to the duck. બીજું, why had the children come to Reshma's house? તો લખો the children had come to Reshma's house to see the bird. ત્રીજું, how did the children greet Reshma? લખો the children greeted Reshma with fresh smiles. ચોથું, which words in the passage mean very excited? તો લખો thrilled, wished, તો લખો greeted. ચાલો 15મું લખો. Why, according to Anita, is it difficult for Mitra to make new friends? તો લખો according to Anita, it is difficult for Mitra to make new friends because he is lame. બીજું, how did the children help Reshma? તો લખો the children helped Reshma to hold the bird while Reshma feed him with an ink filler. ત્રીજું લખો which word in the passage means not able to walk? તો લખો lame. ચોથું, which words in the passage are opposite of easy? તો લખો difficult અને weak તો લખો strong. ચાલો 16મું. What did the children realize after they become friendly with Reshma? તો લખો after the children became friendly with Reshma, they realized that she must have felt bad because they did not play with Reshma. Why did the children want to make Mitra strong? તો લખો the children wanted to make Mitra strong so that he should be able to fly. Which words in the passage mean understand? તો લખો realized, event તો લખો incident. ચલો 17મું. Why was Reshma delighted? તો લખો Reshma was delighted because they were going to make Mitra strong અંગે. Which word in the passage means very happy? તો લખો delighted. હવે 18મું. How was Mitra treated? Mitra was treated like a royal guest. How did the children enjoy with Mitra? તો લખો the children caressed and played with Mitra. Which words in the passage mean touched? તો લખો caressed અને kingly તો લખો royal. ચલો પછી છે true false લખો Reshma was a spastic child તો લખો true. Reshma was 4 years old તો લખો false. Reshma went to a normal school તો કે false. Reshma had many friends તો લખો false. Reshma felt lonely because she had no friends તો લખો true. Reshma's favorite pastime was reading તો લખો true. The bird migrated from the cold regions of Russia તો કે true. Reshma named the bird Mitra તો કે true. Reshma prepared Mitra's bed with grass તો કે false. The children were frightened to see the bird in Reshma's lap તો કે true. Mitra was lame તો કે true. પછી લખો the children realized that Reshma must have felt bad because they did not play with her તો કે true. 13મું લખો the children treated the bird like a royal guest તો લખો true. Mitra slowly started swimming in the lake તો લખો true. Mitra caught a fish તો લખો true. ચાલો હવે લખો fill in the blanks. પહેલું લખો friendly, બીજું realized, ત્રીજું felt bird ખાલી જગ્યા. પછી લખો બીજું windy, creates અને breeze. ત્રીજું gently, disappeared અને popped up. ચોથું looking for, movement અને faint. હવે 5મી ખાલી જગ્યા લખો પહેલીમાં surprised, બીજીમાં empty અને ત્રીજીમાં peacefully. ચાલો હવે લેંગ્વેજ ફંક્શન. run fast so that you can win. તેમાં આવશે showing result. I tried my best but I could not succeed. તો લખો એમાં આવશે indicating contrast. Will you have tea or coffee? તેમાં આવશે showing alternatives. ચાલો હવે પછીનું લખીએ. I have a test tomorrow so I will not play. એમાં આવશે C showing result. Although Mihir was tired, he continued to study. તેમાં આવશે D indicating contrast. અને should I buy a bicycle or a car? તેમાં આવશે B showing alternatives. પછી ત્રીજું Megha will study either science or arts. તો લખો B showing alternatives. Though he worked hard, he failed. તેમાં આવશે indicating contrast. એમાં આવશે C. We were shouting, so the teacher was angry with us. Then showing result. ચાલો હવે is not happy indicate એમાં લખો C. Though he is rich, he is not happy. પછી લખો please sit quietly or leave the class immediately. Tinu is performing well, so she will win the prize. પછી છઠ્ઠામાં લખો D. We can either watch a movie or play badminton. ચાલો પછી લખો બીજામાં A. You should drink milk so that you become strong. પછી લખો though I work hard, I can't earn much. ચાલો હવે કંજક્શન જોડવાના છે વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, કૌંસમાં આપેલા છે એ પ્રમાણે. પહેલામાં લખો we will neither play nor study. બીજામાં લલિત is not well, therefore he will not attend the conference. પછી લખો મનન can sing either a Hindi song or a Punjabi song. પછી લખો મંદર must attend the seminar, otherwise he will not proper guidance for the project. પછી Kiran was very nervous, yet he spoke very well. Although he is rich, he is not happy. છઠ્ઠામ. ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, 8મા પ્રશ્નની આ રીતે તમે ખાલી જગ્યા લખી શકો છો. અને આગળ જોઈએ. નવમો પ્રશ્ન લખીશું. Michael, what is Michael? તો લખો Michael is a swimmer. When did Michael start swimming? તો લખો Michael started swimming at the age of 7. By whom was Michael influenced? તો લખો Michael was influenced by his elder sisters. How many Olympic medals has he won? તો લખો he has won 22 Olympic medals. Michael was sure that he would become a world champion. True or false? તો કે false. ચાલો પછી 10મો પ્રશ્ન do as directed. એમાં લખો the children were going for a picnic. They were happy. They sang songs and played games in the bus. ચાલો બીજામાં લખો Mira likes to play games. She often goes to play tennis. Sometimes she watches movies too. ચાલો પછી લખો this is my aunt. She is my mother's sister. That is her daughter. I am my aunt's favorite Nicey. ચાલો લખો notebooks were brought by knitting. Alka bought a new compass. Their father paid the bill. ચાલો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, આજના વિડીયો લેક્ચરમાં આટલું. જો તમને વિડીયો ગમે તો લાઈક કરશો, તમારા મિત્રો સાથે શેર કરશો અને મારી ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ પણ કરશો. આવજો.